Hi guys, welcome to the Zendersons Show, and for today we are going to do an unboxing of the Drakkon Helmet by Hasbro. Alright, so this is the first comic helmet, because we never got it in live action unless you count the comic promo where they actually did like the Sentry and Drakkon and all that in live action format. Oh man, look at that. The box is sweet, but like all the Hasbro helmet boxes, it's different from one another. So if you have OCD and you want to try to display this box alongside the other boxes, it's gonna be tough. I'm guessing the only one is like similar to each other is the top side. So I guess you can like display it like that. So okay, let's take a look at the box. At the back here says that there's voice changer, modulator, vocal. Oh no, that's different language. Okay, display stand, adjustable fit, premium role play helmet. I've noticed lately with the new helmets, ever since the blue one, the boxes are like a little bit roundish at the bottom. You see, there's this bulge sticking out. So like you can easily spin it because there's that bulge in the middle. All right, so it uses three AAA batteries, and basically that's the box. Let's go in and check it out. Okay, carefully. All right. Side tab. Okay, this is different a little bit. You have like this cover here compared to the others. And then of course, let's see the manual. Let's see where is the thing. Okay, so this is the manual. At the back here, how to put it on the display stand. And okay, so the battery is on the forehead before you put on the horns thingy. Well, that's good. And there's this. No one makes that. This is the helmet. I'm guessing it's the same size as the White Ranger helmet. We'll have a look later. Oh, okay. It's all inside here. So this display stand, everything is inside the helmet itself. That's a little bit different packaging than the other, because I'm guessing of this, the horn side. Let's put the box away for a while. Let's take this out. Sorry, I'm doing this without trying to rip out this packaging here. It's just in case I want to put it back inside. I want it to be wrapped. So far so good. Okay, I'm not looking at it right now. Let's put this aside. And the display stand is the display stand. That's it. Okay, for this part. From the looks of it, the color is very similar to the White Ranger, normal White Ranger helmet. Okay, put it aside. Alright, I have not looked at it, so let's look at it together. Alright, not bad. Look at that. Wow. Of course, the red tinted is kind of see-through, so you can see what's going on there. You can see my fingers there. Now I'm guessing this is just a snap-on. It's different than the Lord Z one. But I'm not putting that together first. I need to put in the batteries. So let's do that. Okay, I managed to put in the batteries, and now let's see at the details and whatnot. So for my side, it's not too bad. I mean, there's this, but I can touch up there. Basically that's it. Not too shabby. This time around it's not too shabby. But let's see, how about the horn side? There's a minor scuff there. You can see on the screen, but it's barely noticeable, so I'm fine with that. Lucky that I managed to land this. Okay, so there's a voice changer, and to turn it on, like the Lord Z, you have to press the bottom here. I'm not sure about the voice changer thing. Let's see. Test. I am Lord Drakkon. Alright. That's pretty cool. But in order for me to wear it, I need to remove the bracket inside because I have a big head. So let's do that. Alright, I removed the bracket, so let's put it on. Man, it looks good. So it fits exactly like the, how would I say, White Ranger helmet. Hold on. All right. Wow. Look at that. Can you see the horn? Sorry, I just got this new chair, so it's a little bit taller than my usual setup. Look at that. Wow. That's pretty cool. I'm not sure if it sounds the same as Lord Z, but it's a little bit different. I always have trouble with the White Ranger helmet, so this is the same. Okay. I am Lord Drakkon. You Rangers are no match for me. That is awesome. I like it. So, I give this helmet 2 thumbs up. It looks really awesome. It's a really good helmet. Let me take my White Ranger helmet. Oops. Hold on. Okay. So this is the White Ranger helmet. Next to Lord Drakkon. You can see it's very similar. I'm thinking it's just it's the same model, just with different design. But you can see the back plate is similar. Yeah, the back plate is exactly similar. It's exactly the same. They did a better job with the gold on this one, and this one is a little bit dark. This is more accurate to the TV show. What do you guys think? Drakkon or Tommy? They're both the same people, but you know, multiverses. So yeah, that's it. That is Lord Drakkon's helmet. I love it. I like it. Comes with a voice changer. That sounds like JDF when you laugh like that. So that's a bonus. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. I enjoy doing this kind of video, and yeah, I'm still amazed by the helmet. So sorry about that. So yeah, thank you for watching, and hope you guys like the video, and do subscribe.